What if I told you that making money while you sleep isn't just a dream, it's a reality that thousands of people just like you are already living? Passive income is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, especially if you're just starting out and don't have any special experience. In this video, I'm going to share 5 beginner-friendly passive income ideas that you can start today, even if you've never done anything like this before. So let's kick it off with something almost everyone can try: selling digital products. You don't need to be a professional designer or a coding expert to create and sell simple digital files online. Think of things like planners, journal templates, or social media post templates. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it super easy to upload and sell. You create the product once and it can generate income for months, even years, with almost zero maintenance. Another great option is affiliate marketing. If you're already spending time on Instagram, YouTube, or even Pinterest, why not turn that into a money-making platform? Affiliate marketing means promoting products you believe in, and when someone buys through your special link, you get a commission. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, and many other companies also offer affiliate programs. You don't need to be an influencer with millions of followers. Just a few hundred engaged people can make a real difference. Next up is creating a YouTube channel. Yep, just like the one you're watching now. The beauty of YouTube is that once you make a video and upload it, it can keep earning you money through ads, affiliate links, or even digital product sales for years. Don't worry if you're camera shy. There are tons of faceless channel ideas like animations, tutorials, or list-style videos. The key is consistency and providing real value. Let's talk about print on demand. This is where you design things like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags and sell them through sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. You don't need to buy inventory, handle shipping, or manage returns. The platform takes care of everything. You just focus on uploading your designs. Even simple text-based designs can do really well if they target the right audience or trends. And finally, investing in high-yield savings or dividend stocks. This one requires a bit of money to start, but not a fortune. You can invest small amounts regularly into dividend-paying stocks through apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance. These stocks pay you a portion of their earnings every quarter, meaning you earn money just by holding them. It's a slow and steady way to grow wealth while learning the basics of investing. So there you have it, 5 real beginner-friendly ways to start building passive income. The best part? You don't have to pick just one. You can test a few and see which fits your style and lifestyle best. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Just get started. Passive income is all about planting seeds now that will pay you later. And trust me, your future self will thank you for taking action today. If this video sparked even one new idea for you, subscribe for more smart money moves, hit that like button, and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a chance to earn while you sleep.